Hey guys, I'm Christy from Blingee Thingee on Etsy. Welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to make you guys aware of some new inventory that I just added in the social media sale / bulk section of my Etsy shop. These are the bulk jars of the mixes. Now I've always carried the mixes in my shop of resin rhinestones and flatback pearls in different colors and sizes and stuff. But I had a lot of special requests to be able to purchase from me in bulk. So this is how I've decided that I'm going to do these. You have the option of a 6-ounce jar. That's what those look like. And then there's also an option for an 8-ounce jar should you need that many. So for a 6-ounce jar, it holds about 5 packs. This is how I've always sold them. So it's about a 6 ounce is equal to about 5 packs. And then if you select the 8-ounce jar option, it holds about 7 packs of mixes. So there's a lot of mixes that fit into these, and like I said, these are wonderful if you're working on like a tumbler or adult pair of shoes. You know, this is the route to go. You're going to get them cheaper than you would if you just bought all the individual packs. They come in the cute little reusable jars, so even if you have some left over, you've got it saved for another project. And then if you need to reorder, you've got your mix number already on there. If you're new to my channel, you don't even know what in the world you would use mixes on. This is a little taller girl's Converse shoes, and I added some of the mixes. That's mix number 14 that I put on there. So you can just glue these on to all kinds of different things, and it just creates a really cute and unique look. So I'm going to leave links in the description box. There'll be 2 links. The first one's going to have mixes number 1 through 70. The second link's going to have mixes number 71, and on and on. So there you go, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. That way you're the first to know when new inventory comes out. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much.